Hey everyone, welcome back to English Podcast, where we make English learning simple, fun, and practical.
Yes, and today, we're going to practice something super useful, how to talk in a cafe.
We'll show you what to call different things in a cafe, how to order politely, what to say if you need help, and even the do's and don'ts you should follow.
So, if you've ever felt shy about ordering coffee in English, don't worry. By the end of this lesson, you'll feel confident and ready to speak naturally.
Alright, let's get started.
Hey Ava, I wanted to ask you something.
Sure, Ryan. What's up?
You know, I always feel nervous when I go to a cafe or a coffee shop. I don't know what to say in English. Sometimes I just point at the menu and hope the person understands.
Don't worry. That's very common. Many English learners feel the same. But today, let's practice together. I'll show you what to say, what to call different things, and how to be polite in a cafe. Okay, let's start from the very beginning. When you enter a cafe, you usually see a counter. That's where the cashier or barista takes your order.
Barista? What does that mean?
Good question. A barista is a person who makes coffee and serves drinks in a cafe. If it's a bigger restaurant, you might have a waiter or waitress who comes to your table.
Oh, so if I'm not sure, I can just say excuse me to get their attention?
Exactly. Always say excuse me politely, not hey. That sounds rude.
First thing, what if I don't know what to order?
Then you ask for the menu. You can say, "Can I see the menu, please?" Or, "Could you give me the menu, please?"
Can I see the menu, please?
Perfect. And remember, in cafes there are usually two menus, one for drinks and one for food snacks. Now let's order. Suppose you want a coffee. You can say, "Can I have a cappuccino, please?" Or you can say, "I'd like a latte, please." And you use could as well. Could I get an iced tea?
Okay, let me try. I'd like a cappuccino, please.
That's great. Notice how you used I'd like. That's very polite. Don't just say, "Give me a cappuccino." That sounds bossy.
Got it. So polite phrases are better.
Exactly. Also, sometimes they ask, "For here or to go?"
What does that mean?
For here means you're drinking it inside the cafe. To go means takeaway.
For here, please. What about food?
Same style. For example, "I'll have a cheese sandwich." "I'd like a chocolate muffin." Or, "Could I get a slice of pizza?"
So I should avoid just saying one pizza.
Yes, exactly. Always add please, and use those polite forms.
But sometimes I don't understand the menu. What should I do?
Good point. You can ask questions like, "What's in this sandwich? Does this have nuts? Is this vegetarian? Could you recommend something popular?"
Could you recommend something popular?
Perfect. That makes you sound friendly and curious. Now, after you order, if it's a cafe with a waiter, they will bring your food to the table. Do you know what to call things on the table?
Maybe spoon, fork, knife?
Exactly. And also napkin, for wiping your hands or mouth, straw, and saucer.
Ah, I always just said tissue, but now I know it's napkin. What if I need something extra, like sugar or water?
Easy. Just say, "Excuse me, could I get some sugar please? Can we have an extra glass please? Could I have some more water?"
Excuse me, could I get some more water?
That's perfect. Always start with "excuse me." It shows respect.
Okay, now tell me, what should I do, and what should I not do in a cafe?
Great question. Let's list them. Do's in a cafe. Say please and thank you. Wait your turn in line. Speak politely to staff. Clean up after yourself if it's self-service. Ask questions if you don't understand the menu. Don'ts in a cafe. Don't shout or snap fingers to call staff. Don't say "give me that." Always use polite phrases. Don't leave trash on the table if it's self-service. Don't take up space for hours without ordering something.
That's so helpful. I think I sometimes forget to say thank you when I get my food.
No worries. Small habits make a big difference.
Now, how do I pay?
Just say, "Could I get the bill, please? Can I pay by card? Do you accept cash?"
And what's the difference between bill and check?
Good question. In British English, people say bill. In American English, they often say check. Both mean the same.
Ah, okay. So I can use either.
Let's practice a full conversation now. I'll be the cashier. You be the customer. Hello. Welcome to Coffee House. What can I get for you today?
Hi. Can I have a cappuccino and a chocolate muffin, please?
Sure. For here or to go?
For here, please.
Great. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Okay, that'll be $5. Would you like to pay by cash or card?
By card, please.
See? You did it.
That felt easy when I practiced with you. Wow, today I learned so much. Words like barista, napkin, counter, saucer, and also polite ways to order.
And you learned what to do and what not to do.
Yes. I'll never say, "Give me coffee" again. I'll say, "Can I have a coffee, please?"
Exactly. That's how you sound fluent and polite.
Thanks, Ria. Next time I go to a cafe, I'll practice all of this.
You'll do great. And remember, the more you practice, the more natural it feels.
Wow, today we learned so much, from how to ask for the menu, to ordering politely, to paying the bill.
And don't forget, small things like saying please and thank you make a big difference. That's how you sound polite and confident in English.
If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to channel.
Yes, and keep practicing with us, because the more you speak, the more fluent you become.
Thanks for listening to English Podcast. See you next time.